What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with xking.com. Hits you another video, and today we're looking at the Coin Out app. Okay, the Coin Out app. This is I guess you could say a cashback app, but really with this app, you would scan your receipts and get cash back. So I got 6 cents right now. Um, Hold on for a second. Let's see the money here. So I have 6 cents right now. This is one of my receipts that I just randomly scanned to get 6 cents. So as my previous videos, I've done the receipt hog as well, and you will scan your receipt. And this Corner app is another thing you can scan as well. So hit back here, hit the gear icon. Nothing much here. So here's Walmart. So this is a cashback app as well. So pretty much, if you buy anything online, let's say you buy anything online, let's say you go to Target and you shop online on Target, you hit the shop now button and you will earn instant cashback on those purchases through Target. So you gotta buy them online, okay? So you have a lot of stuff here at Macy's as well. So that's be pretty good with Black Friday as well. So Travelocity, Sam's Club, Overstock, JCPenney's, Kohl's, the GameStop, Grubhub. It has a lot of rewards just for using their app. So what you do, hit shop now, and it's going to take you to the website to purchase things. Okay, and you get cash back in this app. It's very simple, very easy to use. It's okay. I haven't used it as much because I prefer those cashback apps. They don't have to hit the shop now button. It's linked to my debit card, and I can just swipe my debit card and get cash back. But you can also upload receipts as well. And if I could see this receipt was from a gas station. So I bought gas. You see my gas receipt here. I bought gas, and I got 6 cents from that gas receipt. Okay, which is not bad. So if you link this app with your Get Upside Gas app, your True Nine app, your Receipt Haul app, and this app, you can make money with one time going to the pump and scan all this stuff. Okay, so they have badges here as well. If you try, these things here like Chime, there's bonuses here. If you start with Acorns, you get a $10 badge. You get $10. So they also have like sign up with Blue Apron, you get $6. Play trivia. So you play a trivia, you get a chance to win $500. So there's a lot of things in this app. I'll just use this app just for the receipts. If I shop something online, I'll use it. But I use this for the receipts. I take a picture of my receipt. So what I would do for Black Friday is pump my gas, use the Get Upside Gas Now app, the True Nine app, get cash back. I'll use this code out to scan that receipt haul, scan that receipt, and over time it's gonna build money. It's not gonna make you a millionaire, but it's a pathway that makes some money for receipts. So you want to get this, I'll have a link below. With my affiliate link. I'm not sure if I can give people my link. I don't think so, but I'll have a link below for the Coin Out app. It's okay. Share earn. So here's my link here. So let's see. So this is my link here. I will put it below the video as well, so you can just click on the link. I'm not sure what you would get, but I'm pretty sure you get something. So yeah, that's it for the video. It's okay. Use it if you shop Home Depot or Target online. It's pretty good for that. But I will link this to others. So if I go to Target, I have the Pay app that's linked to it. So I'll buy some from Target. I get paid from Pay app, and I get paid for the Corner app, and scan a receipt. So that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Not much to talk about, brag about, but I'm gonna buy some gas today. Also, I'm gonna go to Popeyes today, give me a nice chicken sandwich today, and I'm gonna scan that receipt and see if that worked. And we'll see how it goes. My name is Tyler with xking.com. Thanks for watching.